So in this video the topic is base quantities, drive quantities. So make sure to learn on that. Base quantities, there are 7 base physical quantities which are formed a foundation of a physical quantities. So we have 7 type of quantities on that base quantities, and they are also called the physics quantities. These physical quantities is called base quantities. So now we can describe one by one. These are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, intensity of light, and amount of substance. So this one is our base quantities. So the definition of base quantities are the quantity on the base of which other quantities are expressed. So the main thing is base quantities. So if any base quantity is founded, so much more quantities are founded in the main of center in this. So now we can about study about drive quantities. Those physical quantities which are expressed in term of base quantities are called the drive quantities. These include area, volume, speed, force, work, electric charge, speed, potential. So much more fundamental on that. So, in the qualities that are expressed in term of base quantities are called drive quantities. So, any quantity are described is a base quantity. So, this is called drive quantities. International system of units. So, now we can learn about international system of unit. Measuring is not simply counting. For example, if we need milk or sugar, we must also understand how much quantity is of milk or for sugar we are talking about this. There is a need of some standard quantity of measuring comparing unknown quantities when a standard is set of quality. Then it can be expressed in terms of the standard quality. The standard quality is called a unit. So this is called a unit. So we can learning over about that. So guys, make sure to learn this type of video are very interesting for every person, because this type of video are very logical and they can be studied as well as which is well in a field of science and technology. The need of commonly acceptable system of unit was seriously felt over all the world, partially to exchange scientific and technical information. The 11th General Conference of Weight of Measurement held in Paris in 1960 adopted a worldwide system measurement called International System of Units. So we can use SI. The SI, the International System of Units is commonly referred to SI. So we can use this SI and they can be made on that. Base quantities. So guys, if you can use base quantities, so then on that the units that describe base quantity are called base quantities, base units. So if any type of unit are called a base quantity, so they can also describe base units. Each base quantity as is SI unit. So every base quantity has SI unit and they can be studied in our new periodic table. So shown 7 base quantity, the system of the symbols. So now we can study about all the quantities, and so this one is our quantity quality. So you can to learn on that, and they can be name. So name length, symbol I, meter, m, mass m, kilogram. So mass have kilogram, so we can write as kilometer. Time, so the symbol is t, second. So time have second, minute. Every moment is called also second. Electric current, so this one is our EII. So this one is our ampere A. Intensity of light L, candela CD. Temperature T, Kelvin K. Amount of substance N, mole. So mole is our substance. Drive unit. So now we can study about drive unit. The units used to measure drive quantities are called drive units. Drive units are defined in terms of base of unit obtained by multiple or dividing one or more base unit of each other. The unit are made more a meter, and the unit of volume m3 are based on the unit of length which is used to meter. Thus, the unit of length is base of the base unit, while the unit is area of volume. Drive unit speed and defined is distance covered is in unit, therefore is thus unit meters per second. so we can use on that, and the main measurement on the video periodic table. In the same way, we can unit density, force, pressure, power, etc. can be derived using one or more base units. Some derived units are their symbols are given in the symbol. So drive quantity as a unit. So in next video we can study about all the symbols and all the periodic symbols. So make sure to learn on this type of video, and every video are very important for us. Make sure to learn and meet in new video, guys.